Delivery of goods and services in urban environments is one of the most time-consuming and costly parts of the supply chain. But advances in uncrewed aviation can help industries move cargo and people much more efficiently and sustainably. To operate safely in all phases of flight, these autonomous aerial agents need to know: where am I going, and what do I do next? So how do we infuse these machines with perception and understanding to meet the highest safety standards? By leveraging the latest advancements in deep learning and AI, so that customers can adapt to their specific aerial scenario. Microsoft Project AirSim provides a rich set of tools that enables you to rapidly create custom machine learning capabilities. Using realistic sensor models, pre-trained neural networks, and extensible autonomy building blocks accelerates training of aerial agents. Building on the foundation of years of research, AirSim has the unique ability to generate an unprecedented amount of simulated data needed to pre-train machine learning models using thousands of environments and billions of parameters. Simulation provides the ground truth, eliminating the need for manual labeling, resulting in significant cost savings. The resulting neural network model encodes how the vehicle perceives the world through its multiple sensor modalities, how it flies, and how it should react to various situations in the air. This enables you to rapidly fine-tune autonomy blocks and achieve good performance for various aerial robotic tasks, such as visual odometry, positioning, and precision landing. AirSim gives customers the launchpad they need to build, test, and validate uncrewed aviation solutions and deploy them safely.